a significantly taller car with a naturally higher center of gravity. You can see how the battery in the floor lowers the overall center of gravity, helping the car return to an upright position. We've seen how the front of the Model 3 crumpled, sparing the cabin the brunt of the shock of a collision. But airbags, seat geometry, and restraints also contribute to a higher occupant protection score. The Model 3 has a thick curtain airbag and uniquely shaped front passenger airbag that help protect a passenger's head from the car's A-pillar and center screen. You can see where the dummy's head, which is smeared in grease paint, contacted the airbag. While passive safety covers what happens in an accident, active safety refers to the systems that help a car to avoid a collision in the first place. The Model 3 has a suite of driver assist systems designed to keep you from getting into an accident, including an automatic emergency braking system that detects obstacles and stops the car on its own. To test this, IIHS had the Model 3 drive towards a stopped obstacle at 12 miles